Hey everybody, it's Moderatrix. Woo! Alright, we're getting to the countdown here. We're less than 60 days away from moving. Don't know where. Still don't have an apartment lined up or a house or any of that other stuff. So, still kind of up in the air. But wherever we do move, we're going to advance our video techniques. I'm on the lookout for editing software, so we're going to do some special effects and stuff because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I can't afford the really expensive $600 one, so anybody that has suggestions on video recording software, sorry, I got a green screen. Gonna be hooking it up. Alright, also, I ordered bumper stickers. So for those of you that like my channel, that would like to get a bumper sticker, thunder and lightning out there. So if I lose the recording, we'll continue recording after we get power back on. Anyway, bumper stickers. Just ordered those today. They're pretty risque. I like them. So if you're interested in getting one, I will give the details and we'll get it all set up. Let's see. Bought some new candy, mango taffy from Trader Joe's. So those of you lucky enough to have a Trader Joe's, let's see how they are. I'm making this a combo update for everybody. Smells kind of like mango. Mango smells like cat pee. There's no ifs, ands, and buts about it. It's very mango-y. Whipped chewy taffy bursting with mango flavor. It has a K on it, so it means that it is kosher for those of you that do that. Look what I got. Mexican Coke. Gonna share it with you. Because I know you've been waiting for burps. Weirdos. Alright. Let's see what kind of fun I can have today. Now, just so some of you know, most of the time, 75% of the time, I drink one of these, I'll get a migraine. So, please appreciate the effort I make here today. Also, if you love skulls like I do, shopping. This baby, great investment. Make sure you always keep your mail coupons from Michaels. Go to Michaels. They've already had the Halloween stuff out since the end of July. I already bought some stuff. I bought this beautiful plate. I don't want to put it anywhere because I like it so much. Because I lost all my skull stuff in the fire. I also got this beautiful little baby. Little tiny skulls. At Michael's as well. I love skulls. Yes, I do. I mean, if all my clothes could have skulls embroidered on them, that's all I want. I mean, I want like polos with skulls on them. I had one at one time. It was a black polo with a red skull where the Izod used to go. Alright, here we go. Salty is making a lot of noise in the background. That's a silent one. Competition. Welcome. Talent. Then I went to Joann's, and you can use these for anything, but I like to use them for either my lapels on my jackets or for my hair. I got little bats and put them in your hair. If you cosplay like I do, you can put them on your wigs and all that good stuff. So I've got tons of information. The camera's fighting with me, so I'm sorry. It's so high up and it has the big orb of annoyance above me, but it keeps going back up. Sorry. Everything will be worked out once I'm in a bigger apartment. I still haven't done the Japanese sushi candy, and I still haven't done the Gothic White House cookie house. So I will get to it. I've just been busy this week. I had a job interview today. Ooh, wish me luck. Because then if I make money, I get more stuff faster to share with all of you. And hopefully I can get a new car too, because my vehicle is on its last legs. Not that you care. So, more. Oh! My daughter thinks this is morbid. But when you get to be over 30, you need a book like this. I'm dead, now what? Important information about my belongings, business affairs, and wishes. It is accurately like a living will. It tells everybody what you want to do. I'm over 30, that's a given, and you got to have this stuff written down. Just like if you have a baby, you have to have everything written down, otherwise everything goes haywire. So let me do a little more coke for you, a little burp, and then we'll end this video. And hopefully I'll get you another video here real soon. I enjoyed doing a video almost every day last week, but when I have people in the house, I don't have the opportunity to record. So that's the problem. So it's not you guys. It's not me. It's my environment. So the sooner I get moved into a bigger place that I can record in my own space without interruptions and bird noises and everything else, I'll be able to share more. Ooh. All right, one more burp because Mother Nature is coming to get us. Welcome. I don't know why I couldn't say goodbye. Goodbye. All right, until next time. Love you guys. Bye.